Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am playing this Noob simulator thing. It's like and I've done some grinding. Little Noob Island, and it's you. So here's bacon hairs. I'm a noob. You're noobs, and you just kill the bacon hairs, and you get the bacon hairs heads sometimes, like. No, I'm not. I haven't really been getting any bacon hair heads right now, so well, I'm just gonna record until I get one and then show you guys what they do. Like, they're amazing. Get over here, you person. None yet. But you get strength and then you level up. So I'm trying to get to 50 strength. And I think I'm already at 50 strength. I think it's 65 then. Probably. If I don't have it now, it's definitely 65, yeah. Or I'm just gonna get on this one. No. I've definitely done grinding. And guys, if you want more videos with Ivy, then leave a like. Okay, here we go, and then I evolved, and now I'm this, and now I can just go blah 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 blah. I evolved again. All it does whenever you evolve is you get fatter for sure, and you turn more into a noob, and you look less like a noob. On the next one, I think I'm going to be like a really big one. I think the next one actually might be like 100. I'm not sure. I use 670 damage. Well, and I have 0 heads. Give me your head. Hey, give me your head. Look, so now 180. Boom, purchase. So now, things are a lot easier, like a lot. So I can really just go blah 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 blah. And my noob looks really glitchy, but this game is like the least glitchiest game I probably ever made. Shift locks. Die, you dumb noob. I've definitely done grinding. I'm more than double this, and it's not letting me in. I don't know why. Seriously, still 0 noob heads? That's sad. Little Noob Island. Die, you dumb noob. Die, you dumb noob. Die, you dumb noob. See ya, sucker. See ya, sucker. Wham! Kick. I've already almost got double, and we're already 3 minutes in. Wow. This is amazing. Guys, this game is actually like calming. But if you go into the PvP zone, no, it's not coming. And it's like, fight with other players. Okay, I'll go in. Dies immediately, loses everything. Actually, I don't know what happens whenever you die in the PvP zone. I think you might, like, lose some strength. I'm really not sure. There's, like, this volcano with bacon hairs, and, like, there's the bacon hair boss, which soon, if I get, like, double my amount I am now, then I might be as big as him if I get to double the amount. I might. I'm not sure, but I might. I'm not sure. I think I need to get 15. Now. I'm not sure. And then I think whenever I get it 15, I will. Or 50. 150? Is that right? Whenever I evolve, I think. I'm not sure. Oh, I have 2 heads. Look. Here. Here. Ooh, skins? Wait, what? Wait, whoa, whoa, whoa. I can't get any. Oh, everything's so expensive. Wow. Die, sucker. Die, sucker. Die, sucker. Die, sucker. Die, sucker. Die, sucker. I'm just helping that guy. Oh no, it's 150, I'm sure. I'm sure it's 150. 100% 150. Or it's 200. Get wrecked, sucker. I'm bigger than you. Boop, and I jump higher. I'm just gonna destroy everything that guy wants and ever has to live with. And just, I'm gonna ruin his life. Just gonna ruin it. Okay, guys, so now I'm gonna show you what these heads do. These heads are rare things. Like, rare. Like, they're so good. I literally almost destroyed. Like, I got $300 off of 5 of those. 300. I think I'm gonna get like about 100 coins with this. I'm not sure. Okay, so we collect noob. Look, so 2, enter. 2 is 100 coins. I'm gonna exchange it, and I'm about to get boom 100 coins. Like I didn't have like anything at all. I didn't have like any money at all. 245? What are all these pills? The one I'm probably gonna end the video on is about 400. Yes, 405. I'm gonna end the video on that if I can. I haven't bought one of these. Actually, have I bought one of these in the video yet? I'm not sure. You guys are right. I'm like, no, they're like. Well, I'm see if there's any secrets behind. Oh man, I can't go back there. I'm gonna turn into you. Why are you so raging? Jeez, I'm gonna get out of your sight. Wait, it's thunder here, guys. So, wait. Thunder. Here, you guys. Look, I'm not gonna join his group. I'm gonna join his group later. I'm cold. I'm gonna join his group later. And then, for special rewards. I bet you the rewards are like $1 million. I so bet you. Die, sucker. Get wrecked. Die. Get wrecked. Die. I'm gonna go to the PvP and see what happens if I die. Fight other players here. Die, noob. Die, noob. Noob. Oh god, this is literally just destroy. Everybody. I'm just gonna go to the main island. It's one noob. Actually, I won't know for noobs. I was gonna say, if one noob joins the game, I'm a freak. Come, Kay. Oh, another island. I'ma go. See you later. Same. I have to do school. Don't kill bacons. Oh, don't kill bacons. If any of you are characters that are bacons, I am so sorry. Wink, wink. Oh, that's why. You need 200 to go to the next island. I'm so stupid. Oh. I thought it was a portal. Huh. These bacon hairs, I just want to. The only thing I want to do in this video really is to get to 150. That's all. And then I'll immediately just gonna. Oh, I have 5 minutes to finish this video. Wow, guys, so I don't have a lot of time. But just gonna go as fast as I possibly can. Die bacon, die bacon. Oh god, I'm running out of time. And 150. Oh man. Yes. Oh my god. Yee! Die, sucker. Die. I'm bigger than you. Die, sucker. Yes! You guys, I think I'm gonna end the video there. So, yeah. You guys, I'll see you guys next time. Make sure to subscribe and leave a like. And if you do that, maybe I'll give you some of the bacon's hair. It's bacon. But and then I'll make it the cleanest on earth. And I will fry bacon. See ya. Make sure to like, subscribe, and if you want, I haven't made more of my videos. Okay.